Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to disable the physical buttons on your itel or Syinix digital televisions. Please note, this method will lock all the buttons at the back except for the power button or the standby button. And if you remember, in my itel TV, the itel TV didn't have these physical buttons, it had one single button at the front of the TV and that will be locked too. Now to disable the physical buttons, you are going to enter into something known as the hotel mode menu. So to enter, just press menu, then scroll down to feature. In the lock position, just press enter and enter your password. The default password is usually 0000. Scroll down to hotel mode and enter. If the hotel mode is in the off position, just press the right navigation button to enable it. From here, you are going to scroll down to key lock and press the right navigation button to enable it. And to exit, you just press the exit button on your remote control. If I try to press any button, it will say keypad is locked. And this works for all the buttons except the power button. If I just press the power button, the TV will just shut down. And don't forget to watch my other videos about the hotel mode setting in Syinix and itel digital televisions so that you can learn more. I've already done in-depth videos about these other features, so please check that in the video description as well as in the pinned comments. That's it. Thank you for watching. My name is Dominic. If you learned something new today, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. Let's meet in the next video and goodbye. Now, disclaimer, I have not tried this tutorial on Syinix and itel Android televisions, so I don't know if they work on those televisions, but you can please try it in your homes and see if it works.